Back in 1965, a 17-year-old boy named Fred DeLuca had a big dream. He wanted to become a doctor. He didn't have enough money to pay for college. One day, Fred talked to his family friend Peter Buck for advice. Peter gave him a simple idea. Why don't you open a sandwich shop? Fred had no business experience. He had no special skills. He had almost no money. Peter only gave him a small loan of $1,000. With that money, they opened a tiny sandwich shop called Pete's Super Submarines. The beginning was extremely difficult. Some days, only a few customers walked in. Sometimes they struggled to pay the rent. Many people ignored their sandwiches completely, but Fred refused to quit. He made sandwiches himself. He cleaned the tables. He served every customer with a smile. He believed that if the food and service were good, people would come back. Later, they shortened the name to Subway. The business started growing slowly. They went from one shop to 10, then to 100, and eventually to thousands worldwide. Today, Subway is one of the biggest fast food chains on earth. The most emotional part is that Fred started the business only to pay for college. He never imagined one small sandwich shop would become a global empire. Lesson: small beginnings can lead to massive success. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Sometimes one simple idea can change your entire life.